Good morning and happy Monday. I just wanted to post a quick video to show you how to get to the IXL assignments for social studies because it is in a little bit different place than the math and the RLA that you're used to. So on my screen here, I've just gone to regular IXL.com. You'll see that I have my son's username and password in here, um, just so that you can see what it looks like from a student's perspective rather than the teacher side of it. So I'm going to go ahead and sign him in. And then you'll see up here, it has your regular math and your language arts, which you're used to going into. But you also now, due to everything that's going on, you have science and social studies. So you're going to want to click on social studies. And it's going to bring up the different grades. Obviously, for you guys, you're going to go to fifth grade and click on see all 109 skills. So usually this time of year, we are working on learning the 50 states and trying to learn some of the capitals that go along with the 50 states. So you'll see that this is actually one of the big standards in this section for fifth grade social studies, which is great because that's what we're working on right now. So you're going to go to C, which is right here. It says states. And for this week, you were assigned, let me check, C2, 5, and 8. So C2 is right here. Select the states of the West. C5 is right here. So you'll be looking at specifically the Midwest. And C8 is right here, the Southeast. Now you will notice that there are a lot more. There's different ways to practice. You can identify, select, or name. I chose to have you select, but if you want to try some of the other ones, it's not going to hurt you at all. Eventually next week, we'll get to the other regions, the Southeast and the Northeast. We may not have time to get to all 50 at one time, but you are welcome. It's not going to hurt you at all to work on trying to do all 50. I did not assign state capitals, but lesson D is all of the capitals. So if you want to challenge yourself, if you've got the states down, because some of you will know the states pretty well, challenge yourself to start to learn the capitals. Okay. All right. I think that's it. Have a great week.